So hello guys, in this fast tutorial, today I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. This sort of annoying problem. It's not a big problem, but it's a, a really very big one. So as you can see, this is a beginner's problem. All the beginners like me, like us, face this problem when first using Blender. So how we're gonna fix this? It's sort of easy because we don't know the problem, the cause of the problem, even if we fix it. So first, we can go to Blender, to our scene, and we can click here to view the viewport, and let's go to the normals and click them to show them. I'm going to show you the cause of the problem. So we're going to say to click face orientation, and voila, the faces are sort of showing everything inside of the house, and we don't want that. The faces on the opposite direction, we don't want that, of course, in our game. So how we're gonna do that? First, you can click tab to go to the edit mode, or you just hit edit mode and click A to select all, and later you can click shift N or go by yourself to the normals and hit flip, so you can understand the concept of what's going on. You can do the process on all of your meshes and object. You can just hit shift N and do this as I did now. It's an infinity problem. You can fix here and you'll find another problem on the other side. So it's totally unfixable. But we can try fix it. Mesh, normals, flip. I didn't click it. Oops. And voila. Now we can select this face and hit shift N and we fixed it. It's a quick fix, as you may say. Shift N, and now I'm going to just select the normals and show you the process. It is really working like this. And this face is I don't know what I did. I didn't select all of them. Normals, flip, and voila. Our model is ready to export, to be exported now. I'm going to name it the first house. I already have a house called number one house, and I'm going to go back to this scene here, and I saved my house, my very beautiful house. I followed a tutorial by some YouTuber. I'm going to leave its name on the description. So as you can see, now everything is solved. No disappearing faces, as you can see from here. You watch, you see that? So this was for today. I hope you learned something, even though I didn't explain much because I'm a beginner like you, but it's alright. I hope you got it. So it's not your problem, it's a Blender problem. It's alright. All do mistakes, we're all just beginners. A good day.